Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create this text template in CapCut for PC. So I call it merging shadows. So how to, for example, I'm going to select the black screen and go to text to add the text. So first I'm just going to change for text. Okay. Alright, for the scale and change for the font color, font style, and etc. And after drawing, you are just going to select animation and select in animation, so you can select merge shadow, merging shadow figures, just add to the track. But effect you have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So you can adjust for it region below. And you can see for the final is like this. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.